So it is November 18th, 2016.
The great blizzard.
First big snowstorm of the season. Thomas just picked me up from work early because of a power outage. Everything was closing. We tried to stop at the grocery store. It was closed due to the power outage as well. It is said that travel is not recommended. There's accidents all over the place, and yet there are a ton of cars out. We are in a four-wheel drive pickup, feeling a little more secure in that fact. A little.
We're going to be going with the wind this time, so it won't be as bad last time.
It is pretty windy. The snow that is coming down is horizontal, if you can see it.
But yeah, we'll be going with the wind, so that'll make that way easier.
And the phone is shaking because the wind is rocking the